Hi, I'm Lloyd, and I'm a computer engineering student. During my second year in college, I developed a simple circuit calculator app that can solve circuits problem like this. And here's what it looks like. Once you open the app, you will see three different parts. First is where you can find all the buttons, including the run button. Second is our circuit board, and here's where we assemble our circuit connection. Third is where you can find all the components, and you can drag them directly into our circuit board. For this particular problem, we are asked to solve for the current that flows through our 6 ohm resistor. And to do that, I want to start by adding our voltage source. Here you can do two different things. You can either tap and drag it to change its current location, or you can double tap it to edit all its information. Now we are done adding our first component. I will do the same thing to the rest, but to make this part less boring, let's skip it forward. Now we are finally done adding all the components. The last thing that we want to do here is to connect them, and to do that, I want to start by connecting our 9 ohm resistor to our voltage source. We can do that by tapping this end of our resistor and the other end of our voltage source. Now let's do the same thing to the rest of the components. And now we are finally done forming our circuit connection. We can now tap the run button to get the result. Once loaded, you will see a table that shows the voltage and the current value of each resistor. Now when you look at R2, notice that it has a current value of 3.67 amp, which is the current value we are looking for back in the sample problem.